Is it normal to lose hair on a daily basis? Yes, and I get so many questions from people saying, "Salon guy, I run my fingers through my hair and hair comes out in my hand," or I just see hair all over the place when I shower. Well, if you look on the internet, and I'm sure you have already, but if you search, do I lose hair? Is it normal? How many hairs? Literally, the internet is saying that every person loses between 50 to 100 hairs per day. It's absolutely normal. So if you are in a situation where you're running your fingers through your hair and hair's getting stuck in your hands or your fingers, it's simply because it's normal. Now, what you do need to be cautious about is if your hair is coming out literally in like clumps, where like you look like this 1 second, you run your fingers through your hair, then you look like me, maybe that's an issue, okay? Maybe that's something you need to worry about. But if you're running your fingers through your hair and you're getting clumps, that could be something very serious. It could be, something that's a medical problem you need to go talk to your doctor about. It could be, certain medications you're on. It could be diet. It could be stress. I've seen people lose so much hair and get bald spots literally because of stressful things going on in their life. So it could be stress related. That's very, very normal. So it's really, it's normal to lose hair. Again, you're losing 50. Sometimes you may see them, sometimes you may not see them. You get 1 or 2 on your shirt, you're like, oh my God, what's going on? It's absolutely normal. I will suggest, however, this is my vent brush right here. This is an anti-static vent brush. Why I like this brush and how it does help is if you, brush through the hair like this, all right, you brush through the hair like this, what's gonna happen is the hairs that do come out are supposed to come out, right? And this brush will help just get them out of your hair like this, and it also helps fight frizz, helps fight static, but it's a really gentle brush on the hair. Sometimes you could be losing your hair and pulling out hairs because of not brushing your hair the right way. So if you're taking like a hair cutting comb and you're ripping through your hair, especially when it's dry, and I've seen people, they're just yanking at it, that's really gonna cause breakage. That's when you're gonna start to see tons of hair coming out in the brush, tons of hair coming out in clumps maybe throughout the day in your hands. That's a serious issue. This brush, why I like this anti-static vent brush is because you can see the teeth are really spread apart. And that allows for, as you can see in through here, it allows for the hair and the bristles to glide right through the hair. All right, and if you notice when I'm doing this, the hair has no static whatsoever. A lot of times if you go like this, the hair will just spring right out and almost like it's attached to the brush. So this is a really, really good gentle brush for your hair. And again, if you do this and you see hairs in the brush, it's absolutely normal. But what this does help is prevent you from ripping the hairs out that don't need to come out naturally. So it's totally normal. Let me know in the comments below if you are experiencing this. If you're like, oh, okay, Salon Guy, thank you for reassuring me. It's completely normal. I'm seeing 10 hairs, 15 hairs here and there throughout the day. It's absolutely, especially if you've got really thick hair, chances are you're gonna probably see even more than that. Remember, 50 to 100 hairs a day. It's kind of like a lot of hair, So if you are interested in purchasing this brush or any of my products, if you use code YouTube20, that's YouTube20, you get 20% off and free shipping in the United States on orders with a value of over $50. So let me know if this video was helpful. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.